Technic Bao says hello to a new video. In today's video we want to show you how you can delete the and the memory on your Samsung Cool Head TV. How does that work? As always after the intro. We have a Samsung Cool Head TV here. I have the QN90A and with this we want to delete the cache and data. What does that mean? Sometimes it can happen that a certain app does not work anymore, such as Netflix or another. You start the app, it cannot be opened or it does not work as it should. Or it takes longer and longer until the app finally starts. There is a little trick for this. You have to go to the menu of your TV, then you have support at bottom, then to the right and then you have device maintenance. We have to go in there now. First of all, of course, our TV is checked and then there is storage. Here we go in and if you are in there, you can see the apps that are installed. I'll show you what is meant by that. For example, at Disney Plus, we go into details and say here, empty the cache. It takes a few seconds. And then delete to data. And that's it. Close. And you can do that with the other apps. Sometimes you can't delete it with an app because it's not enough yet, but otherwise it works fine. This should then make the app start much faster and we will try that first. I deleted the whole thing at Disney Plus. Here I go in and the app is immediately loaded here as can see. And that also much faster than before. If you have any questions, then use the comment function, subscribe to our channel, then you will be up to date. Thank you for watching and goodbye.